Hold on, did you just sneeze? Bless you. But do you know why it even happens? Sneezing isn't just your nose being dramatic, it's your body's ultimate defense move. When dust, pollen, or even a strong smell tickles the inside of your nose, tiny hairs and nerves send an SOS to your brain. The brain hits the emergency eject button and boom! Your nose and mouth shoot out air at over 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. All that force blasts out the annoying invaders, keeping your lungs safe. So next time you sneeze, remember you're not just making noise, you're a superhero in disguise. Got science questions? Drop them in the comments.